In this list, we've reviewed the best 4K camcorder available in the market. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update this description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description. Safe and perfect 4K camcorder. Capture your favorite moments with this camcorder, which offers an IR night vision mode for excellent black and white shots, and a fill light mode that makes it a perfect option for vlogging. Take control of your device from up to 16 feet away using the remote control that comes with the camcorder. The camcorder has a webcam function for live streaming, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy download of files, and an HDMI output to enable users to connect to an HDTV and other external display devices with ease. Surreal 4K camcorder. A handheld stabilizer is available on this camera to make it convenient for users to carry it around and maintain stability during use. This stabilizer is foldable and has a durable design. Connect with your viewers with ease and stream content directly to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other vlogging platforms. This camcorder features an 18x digital zoom with other excellent features such as a self-timer, anti-shake, beauty function, face capture, continuous shooting, and more. It supports SD cards of up to 128 gigabytes, and remote control is available for wireless control of the device. Halfway of our list, we bring you more products. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay all these items for you. Stay tuned.